Hi guys, this is Anya, founder of Urbi and today we are going to show you Urbi gardening station demo.
Urbi is designed to be modular, and these are custom-made adaptive grow lights that adjust their spectrum to different plants and grow stages. Next, we have our nutrient-rich nano soil. This is our garden tech core. These are 3 magnetic connectors where the lights easily attach, making setup quick and simple. The base of Urbi is designed in 2 parts. The upper section holds 8 planting slots, giving you plenty of room to grow a variety of plants, while the lower part is the water tank. The tech core features sensors in its lower part to monitor water levels. Simply slide the tech core into the base. When you're ready, just plug Urbi in with a USB-C adapter. Then add the nano soil to each planting slot and your favorite seeds, along with mold protective covers and transparent growth boosters to keep your plants healthy from day 1. For the sprouting stage, simply attach the lights to the lowest connector. Now let's add water to the Urbi tank. As we do, the water level indicator lights will display the current level. Urbi only needs tap water, and one fill can last up to 4 weeks depending on the plant's growth stage. You can track water levels in the app and get notified when the refill is needed. Once connected to the Urbi app, you'll go through a quick onboarding to help us tailor the experience to your skill level and preferences. The app algorithms use water consumption data to predict plant growth stage and monitor their health. The app is designed to customize your gardening journey from day 1. Choose the plants you're growing in Urbi, and we'll use this data to create a personalized experience. From the home page, you can track your garden's journey and discover expert tips as you go.